Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. In this video, we are going to do the exercise based upon trigonometric identities. I think you know about trigonometric identities, which are sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 and secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. The relations which we have proved in our previous video. Right. So, based on that, a small little exercise we are going to do from R.D. Sharma. These are the examples from R.D. Sharma, right. So, let us do this.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.
See here, our first example would be, we need to solve this. So, see here, 1 minus sin square theta into secant square theta equal to 1. We have to show this. Show that. Okay, that means we have to show this entire expression is equal to 1. Means this LHS equal to this RHS. How to show this? Let us take LHS first. LHS. Now, this would be your 1 minus sin square theta into secant square theta. So, let us do one thing. Multiply the secant square theta with all the terms. Here secant square theta into 1, that would be your secant square theta minus sin square theta into secant square theta. Right? Okay. So, now this would be your secant square theta minus sin square theta from the basics of trigonometry. Here see, secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Is that right or not? Actually, we have learned this in the basics of trigonometric ratios, that secant theta and cos theta are the reciprocals of each other. So, therefore, we can write this secant square theta equal to 1 by cos square theta or not? Let us use 1 by cos square theta, right. So, just rearrange them. Here this is secant square theta minus this would be your sin square theta by this is cos square theta. Can we write like this or not? So, how can we rearrange them? Secant square theta minus this can be written as what? Sin theta by cos theta to that whole square. Okay. So, what is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta? Is it tangent ratio or not? Yes. So, therefore, here secant square theta minus tan square theta. Actually, here secant square theta minus tan square theta we obtained. So, actually we have the three relations, that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So, these are the three trigonometric identities we have obtained in our previous video. So, based on them, okay, what can we say here? This is secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1 or not? That is it. So, therefore, here we got 1. So, did we get our result or not? So, therefore, this would be equal to RHS. So, therefore, we obtained our result. We took LHS part and we got RHS part. So, we proved that 1 minus sin square theta into secant square theta will be equal to what? 1. So, this is what our problem.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.